In this video, we want to find the surface integral of a vector field where f is z squared 3x over 2 and 0. And the surface is the plane z equals 1, x is between 0 and a, and y is between 0 and a. So the formula that we're going to use here is the double integral f dot negative partial of f with respect to xi minus a partial of f with respect to yj plus k dx dy. Z is going to be our f of xy here, which is equal to 1. So when we take the partial with respect to x and y, we get 0, since 1 is a constant. And so if we focus on ds here, ds being this part, that's going to be 0, 0, 1 dx dy. And now to figure out what f is. So f we said is z squared 3x over 2 and 0. But we said that z is 1. So we can plug in that 1 in here to get 1, 3x over 2 and 0. So now we can find the dot product. So we just do f dot ds. So the nice thing is that because the first two components are 0 here, these are just going to cancel. And then because this is 0, this is going to cancel. So we just end up getting 0 as a dot product. So really we're just integrating 0 over a region, which you don't really need to set this up. You know it's going to be 0. But we said that up here, we said x and y are both between 0 and a. So that's why I have the balance between 0 and a. And you don't need to evaluate this. You know it's automatically 0. So that's our final answer.